Alright guys, big day today. We're putting the cam in. Very exciting, very exciting. So what we're going to do first is we're going to lube up this camshaft. It's right in front of me. There we go. We've got the comp cam lube there, but we've also got a whole packet of this cam assembly lube. So we're going to make it really slimy. I'll put some gloves on in a minute and we're going to get that cam in. So yeah, I'll make sure I've got my 3 bolts in the end before I start, and let's get this show on the road. Alright, what I'm going to do first here is lube up the hole a little bit around here. This stuff looks pretty thick, so I want plenty of that stuff up around the cam bearing here. It's very thick. I thought it'd be a little bit thinner than this, but it's thick stuff. Yeah, penrite. So yeah, I'll put a very generous layer around there so the cam can slide in nice and easy. Alright, onto the cam. Going to use a selection of both here. I don't think it's going to matter all that much, but yeah. I'm going to put plenty of lube on the old gal. This is nice and thick stuff, so I'll rub this in, then I'll put a little bit more of this other Valvoline stuff on. But yeah, this is very nice, very thick stuff, this comp cam here. Alright, let's get that around there. Let's work that all the way. Nice and sticky. Yeah, well, it's very sticky stuff, that's for sure. Make sure you get it around. Oh, you can't really see it here, but yeah. Let me try and show you. So you want it around every single journal. It's hard to film while I'm doing this, folks, so I may have to put this down in a minute, but as you can see, you want it around every single lobe. I'm going to go again. I'm going to make sure it's around every bearing, every lobe. Yeah. Alright, just let me continue on with this, and yeah, we'll wait. The next video will be the sliding her in. And that's it, she's in, folks. Great success. Thumpa cam install done. Alright, what the instructions from Comp Cams tell us to do is on our hydraulic lifters, which is this here, folks. That's a brand new hydraulic lifter. They're saying to put a generous amount of assembly lube on the bottom here, and then just coat the sides down here with oil. So I've got a little cap of oil just here. Don't know if you can see. There we go. And yeah, we're gonna get them installed. We'll pop a little bit of oil down there as well at the end to coat it. But all right, well, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. This is our first lifter going in. So we're gonna put a bit on the end here, nice generous amount. There we go, like that. It's probably a bit much, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. And yeah, my oil here, I'll just put my fingers and rub around the sides like this, all up around here, like that. I don't know if you can see that, but oil all the way around. Alright, We are done. Number 1 going in. Let's see if we can get him in. There we go. Number 1 is in. And I'll repeat the process. I'll put our push rods in now, and what CompCam's instructions are is to put a little bit of lube on that and a little bit of lube on the other end and slide her in. And yeah, we'll put a little bit of oil down the shaft as well. So alright, here we go. We'll do this here. A bit around there. A bit around that one. Alright. A little bit of, oh dear me, I should put another glove on. A little bit of oil and put it down the shaft all the way around here. Like that. Alright, we'll slide one in. It's as simple as that. Let's get them all in. Alright, so here we go guys. All push rods in. Alright guys, what we're doing here is just going to be putting the roller rockers on. There is a specific way of putting these on, and if you look at in between the rockers, there's a certain way. It's hard to explain, but yeah, there's a certain way they fit on, so always make sure you put them on the right way. And yeah, we'll get these on, and we won't take up too much more time looking at this, but we'll get these on, and the next step will be putting the nuts on top here and locking them down, but not too hard. I'll have to get my mechanic friend, Mr. Anthony Williams. He'll come round, as you'll see in the video, and do the lash. And apologies about the bad video and the lighting in the next video with him doing that. But yeah, that's the best I could do when it was pitch black at night. Alright guys, so I did skip a step here. I've already put the timing chain on. It was a bit of a hassle with it. I had to get a puller on the bottom sprocket here, you know, to get that off the crank sprocket. So yeah, I apologize for not showing that, but yeah, no, we got all that. We got it all timed up nicely here. Checking back in with Anthony Williams here, the master mechanic. He's doing our lash here. As you can see, he knows what he's doing, and I leave the hard work up to him because I have no idea how to do this. So thanks again, Anthony, for all your hard work and helping me get this motor back together. Alright, shit, here we go. Should have plenty of fuel up there. That cap's on, isn't it? On the coil?
Yeah.
Alright. Good luck, it's gonna be loud. She's right.
Yeah.
I think we just need some more fuel. Give it a second. Just spat a bit out the carby then. I think it just needs to get fuel right up in it, you know. That sound like it's going to fire, didn't it? Didn't sound out, didn't backfire, I don't think.
No.
Oh shit, it's going to be loud. Oh, I don't know, shall I give it a bit more throttle? What do you reckon?
No, I wouldn't give it too much.
Alright, just watch for leaks.
No, I just wait a minute.
Or I think it might be a bit retarded, or it needs a bit of initial timing to start it apparently. A fair bit of initial timing.
Might want to be just a little bit tighter, that screw.
Again?
Yeah.
Right.
It's got to be fairly
I
firm.
just gotta, can't lose the tools. Where the fuck's that gone? It's, oh, fuck it. Here it is. Yeah, it needs a fair bit to start it apparently. Like 10 to, that's probably too much, is it? Too much?
No, it's not too much.
More? Right. She might be out because the backfired out the carving, so you just never know.
It's firing out the carby. Stop.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was the install of my big Mutha Thumpa cam in my small block Chev. Yeah, it was a good process, a lot of learning I did. So yeah, there's a little teaser at the end of this video also of what's going on the ute next. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and give me a comment. I get back to mostly everyone. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for the next video, I suppose. All right, catch you dogs later. See ya.